Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Just to let you know that I'm opening my cooking classes. Please drop your email if you would like to join. I put my email address in the description below. And also I have online Zoom cooking classes in Airbnb experience. I put the link into the description. I hope to see you soon. Matur Suksma. So today I'm going to share how I make Ayam Bacem at home. This is one of Indonesian dish originally came from Java Island. It's a stewed chicken with palm sugar and it has unique sweet flavor. So let's get started. So first I'm going to make bacem paste. Here I have some shallot, garlic, candle nut, turmeric, ginger, galangal, coriander seed, and white peppercorn. First, let's cut the shallot. I am using 7 shallots because I'm going to blend this, so big chunk is fine. For garlic, around 1 centimeter turmeric, except the galangal and ginger, I'm going to brush with mortar and pestle. So I add the candle nut and white peppercorn and coriander seed. A 1/4 cup of water. Blend it until smooth. Add into the pan. So brush the galangal and ginger. Quarter cup palm sugar. Two tablespoons sweet soy sauce, 1 liter chicken stock, and 1 kg of chicken thigh with bone, which is I have here 4 pieces. And I add half teaspoon of salt, stir it, so make sure that all the paste and liquid mix well. I put the high heat and wait until it's boiling. Now the chicken is boiling and I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit and simmer for 45 to 1 hour or until the chicken cooked through and also almost all the liquid are evaporated. While that, I'm going to prepare the sambal for the ayam bacem later. So the sambal I make today is a tomato and chili sambal. It's spicy and slightly sweet. And here I have some shallot. I also cut it into chunks. I'm using 7 shallot. For garlic, 2 big red chili and I remove the seed. 6 Bali hot pepper and half tomato. So now I'm add vegetable oil, 1/3 cup. Put the heat into medium, and first I'm going to add the shallot while the oil is ready. Add the shallot. I cook it until it's soft. Add the garlic. Also cook the garlic until it's soft and stir it occasionally. And now add the chili. Just a bit careful, because when you using the whole Bali hot pepper without remove the seed and touching the hot oil, it can pop easily. And add the tomato. So until the tomato is soft. So it's ready. I'm turn down the cooker and let it cool completely before we're going to blend it. So the sambal is cool enough. Now I'm going to blend it. Add the palm sugar, half tablespoon, half teaspoon of shrimp paste, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable bouillon powder, and also you can use chicken bouillon powder. And now I'm going to fry it a little bit. So we cook it the sambal for 1 to 2 minutes, and it's nearly ready. For the vegetable bouillon powder that I add to the sambal, that is actually optional. You don't have to add it, but I quite like to add more umami flavor, so I add the vegetable bouillon powder. The sambal is ready. So now the chicken is ready. I turn it off and I'm going to grill it. So just add a little bit of oil. Like you see here, yeah, almost all the liquids is evaporated, and the color also is quite brown. That's because of the sweet soy sauce and palm sugar. Let's transfer the chicken into the grill pan. I put the leftover paste on the top of it. You can also put it into the charcoal, so add a smoky flavor, and also you can transfer to the oven for around 15 minutes to 100 degrees just for the add the color. I mean, it's a slightly burnt color. Let's turn it over. Ooh. So now the chicken is ready. So let's plate it. So here I have some rice that I cooked earlier, and I'm going to add some vegetables. A lemon basil, cabbage, bitter bean, chicken, cucumber, put some kenikir leaf, and sambal. Slice of kaffir lime leaf. So here we are, ayam bacem with rice and vegetables. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you in my next video. Matur suksma.